Hello everyone. In this lecture we are going to discuss HTML. HTML or Hypertext Markup Language is a formatting system which is used to display graphics, text, audio over the internet. I'm sure all of you are familiar with HTML. I'm just going to quickly review through the most basic elements in HTML. So in HTML we have tags. A tag is a hidden keyword which sets the layout how a browser is going to display the content in that tag. So here in this sample HTML page I have 7 tags. So if I open this tags.txt, I have them I've written them down. I have HTML head, meta, title, body, p and p. So if I run this on a browser, you see I get this here. So this p tag here, it is defining that whatever comes here, whatever comes between these tags, it has the color blue. So if I see it here, I have this text here, the string here, it says some text here and it's in blue. So the next p tag I have, it has font style italic, and you can see that this text here, it's italic. So this style thing, that's an attribute of p tag. We call these attributes. This is an attribute. So p tag here has attribute style is equals to color blue. Here it's font style italic. You can think of an HTML page as a tree or having a tree structure. For this file, the tree would be that on the very top I have HTML, then it has two children's, head and body. Then head has further two children's, meta and title, and body has again two children, p and p. So this is a very basic summary of what HTML is and how we can interpret HTML so that in future we're able to parse it efficiently. I'm sure I've made myself clear, and thank you very much for your time.